Masala Mama here. Let's make Bhindi gosht. I'll post the ingredients on the screen. The first thing I did was pressure cook in my Instapot the meat. Please follow the steps on the screen. Next, I took this and I put it into a pot over the stove. The meat is about 80% tender. I have a lot of water that I need to dry up, so I'm going to put this on high heat until the liquid part dries down. Once the liquid has evaporated and you have this masala, we're going to move on to our bhindi, the okra. And this is the okra that I buy. Try and buy okra that is soft. So the pieces of okra should be tender. Chop them up into whatever size you like. I cut them into 1-inch pieces. Traditionally, these are deep fried, but I sprayed them with some olive oil and put them in my air fryer for 12 minutes on 300 degrees. And they come out nice and fried, but not really deep fried. Air frying is the best. I also added some chilies because my husband likes them. The other thing that goes in bhindi gosht is deep fried onions. But again, I did the same thing to these onions that I did to the bhindi. I put it in the air fryer. You're going to add the bhindi, the onions, the chilies, and lots of freshly chopped cilantro. All these ingredients are necessary in this recipe. Mix everything up, and at this point you also want to take a little bit of the masala and taste it and adjust your salt. If everything in the pot is looking extra dry, don't worry. Keep it on low heat, cover, and let it steam up. The onions, the bhindi, the meat, they will release some of the moisture and help cook everything. So keep this on low simmer heat for about 10 minutes. And you should check in between, make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom or burning. Your bhindi gosht is ready to eat. And even though you can eat this with any kind of pita or naan bread, I highly recommend you make homemade roti or chapati. So right after making the bhindi gosht, I went ahead and made some rotis and I served them with my bhindi gosht. Now, you can serve this dish with a onion salad. Honestly, tastes so good. Bhindi gosht always hits the spot. If you haven't already, follow me on my YouTube channel, Masala Mama, where I have a lot of my family's recipes posted there.